Hello.
Maybe you can try to reconnect.
Okay, I'll try. Uh, Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
Yeah, great.
Great. How are you doing?
Yeah, not bad. And you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So my name is Abanop. What about you?
Oh, no, my name is Ahmed.
Ahmed.
I can type it
Okay,
like this.
great. So I think you are the interviewer right now.
Yeah, I guess it's your turn to solve the problem. So
Uh,
feel free
okay.
to start.
Okay. I'll read it. Given a static sized array of integers array, move all zeros in the array to the end of the array. You should preserve the relative order of items in the array. We should implement a solution that's more efficient than a naive brute force. Example. mm, okay. Array. So I'll say what I have understood. What I have understood, and you can tell me if I understood well or not. Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
So the input will be an array, and this array have a lot of numbers, like positive numbers and also zeros. And what I should do
Mhm.
is the output will be an array that contains all the numbers in the beginning with the same order as previously, and after that all the zeros. Is that right?
Yeah, you should move the zeros to end. It says.
Okay, and in the same order.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a solution I can do, but uh, the time complexity will be O of n and the space will be O of n, because I will need to have another data structure or another array, and this array I will, for example, this array I will push all the elements if it is not equal zero, and I will make another variable, and this variable will be like the counter of all zeros. For example, here in this array, I have 1, 10. These elements I will push them into the array, and then I will have 0. I will increase the counter. So
Hmm.
in the end, I will have an array contains all the numbers, and after that I will make a loop to put all zeros in the end, depending on the counter. So should I
Yeah,
go with this solution or think about
uh,
uh, optimizing the
maybe
complexity?
you can improve the space complexity. Yeah, instead of defining a new array, maybe you can do it in place.
Okay. Uh,
Just think about it. If you can't find solution, just go for your previous solution. I don't
oh,
mind.
okay. Let me just think for a while, for a minute. Uh, uh, I think I can use another variable like iterator, and this
Hmm.
iterator will go through the array from the beginning to the end.
Hmm.
So I will go with this example. In the beginning, this iterator will be equal 0. So when I find 1, I will put the 1 into the array. I mean array of iterator, which is equal 0, equal 1. And then when I find 10, I will make the iterator, I will increase the iterator by 1. So array of 1 will be equal 10. When I find 0, I will not do anything to the iterator. And when I find 2, I will increase the iterator. So array of 2 will be equal 2 because I'm 0 base,
Hmm.
and so on. So by this way, the space complexity or will be O of 1 because I will not use any other diff structures. I will
Mhm.
use only one variable. So
Yeah,
is that okay?
yeah, sounds good.
Okay, I will start coding. So int, for example, int iterator equals 0. Not iterator, I will rename it to index and then uh, so here I'm looping over the array. Uh, and also I will make this count. I will make another variable to to count the zeros.
Hmm.
So if arrow I uh, not equals 0, hmm, arrow of index arrow I, and then I will increase the iterator or the index. Else I will increase counter of zeros. So we'll make another loop to put zeros in the end of the array. Uh, yeah. Zeros. Uh, oh yeah. Out of index will be equal 0, and then I will increase the index.
Hmm.
I think that's it. Let me check. Uh, Counter, I will initialize it to 0. Follow. If not equal 0, I will take the element and then I will increase the index. Else I will increase the counter. And here I looped over
Yeah.
counters, zeros. If I think that's it. Is there anything I should check or?
It looks nice to me. Yeah, if you want, you can type your test case, or if you are comfortable, you can run the test.
Okay. There is something here. Read only variable is not assignable. Okay. Oh, why I can't? Oh, because this constant, I guess. Yes, run thesis. Okay. Oh, same. Think because I removed the constant, but it looks. Hmm. uh, don't know.
May- Maybe define a new array, because lots of people, um, if they are using C++ because of that constant, they are defining a new array on here and then
Okay.
working on it. I have no idea about C++, but they are saying there's a constant and they can't maybe modify that array. So you
Yeah,
can just define an array so you
but
can work on it.
but this way we will have another array. I mean, so the space complexity will be O of n. Okay.
Yeah, but just ignore that case because it's because of C++. If you are writing on Java, that won't be a problem. But uh,
Okay.
it's happening because you are using C++, right?
Yeah. And also if they are not putting constant or const, it will be working great. So, okay,
Uh,
I'll write the other solution with the space as the
yeah,
additional
but
vector.
maybe instead of this, just
Mm.
initialize a new array, just initialize and then just rename that array to
Okay.
R and then
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
rename that one, so
Yeah.
everything will be
Yeah.
fine, I guess.
Yeah. Thanks. So this will equal array, and then
Uh,
I'll work over the out.
no, don't change all of them. Maybe you should do just rename this one R
You mean
like this.
change the?
I
Okay.
mean, instead of changing all of them, that will be more easier,
Yeah, you're right.
I guess.
I was just trying to change it because of I don't know if if it should be out error because of this IDE or this checking. I
Maybe
don't.
you should return something. Is it expecting to return?
Yeah, return the output array of this. Return
Yeah,
error.
return.
Okay.
Yeah,
I thought it's void. Uh, yeah, it's working.
yeah,
Thanks.
yeah. Everything looks fine.
And time complexity is O of n because I'm looping over the whole array. And space complexity, uh, it's O of 1 if we didn't use this additional space, or here it will be O of n. Uh,
Yeah,
and n is the size of this array or additional vector.
yeah. But it's because of C++, I guess. If you try write it on the Java, there won't be something like this. So it will be space complexity will be O1.
Yeah. Okay. So do you have any comment on my solution or something?
Yeah, everything looks fine because you can't improve the time complexity. It will be ON for the best case,
Yeah.
and you can't improve the space complexity. It will be O1. So everything looks fine.
Okay, great. I think I will swap the rules.
Yeah, sounds good.